Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy for MBBS. First, begin by understanding the overall structure of the human body before memorizing individual parts. Focus on major systems like the skeletal and muscular systems. This approach helps build a strong framework, making it easier to integrate new information. Aim for a broad understanding initially, then gradually add specific details. Next, incorporate active learning methods. Instead of just reading, try to recall information without looking at your notes. Use flashcards or self-quizzing. Spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals, significantly boosts long-term memory. Drawing anatomical structures yourself, even simple sketches, helps reinforce spatial relationships and details. Leverage diverse resources for a complete understanding. A good anatomy textbook is fundamental, offering detailed explanations and clinical correlations. Complement this with a high-quality atlas, which provides clear visual references. Online videos and interactive platforms can offer different perspectives and reinforce complex concepts, making learning more engaging and accessible. Finally, apply your knowledge and review consistently. Dissection labs are invaluable for seeing structures in 3 dimensions and understanding their relationships. Regular review sessions, perhaps weekly, are essential to consolidate information and identify areas needing more attention. Collaborating in study groups allows for discussion, clarification, and peer teaching, which deepens understanding.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.